Thank you for doing your part in social distancing as much as possible during this difficult time. Your actions are creating a safer environment for everyone. We want to provide you with as much customer service as possible while respecting your duty to social distance yourself. We are taking COVID-19 very seriously and have taken a number of steps to ensure your health and safety at this time. Our staff is continuously cleaning the dealership to ensure that we can provide a safe environment for you. We have increased the frequency of cleaning and implemented a wipe-down policy where all surfaces that could be touched are cleaned directly after the previous customer leaves. We've also stocked up on hand sanitizer for your use while at the dealership. Don't want to come see us at the dealership but still want to test drive? We understand. If you want to go for a test drive but do not want to have direct contact with our staff members, we are happy to place the keys to your vehicle of interest and the vehicle itself in a secure and identifiable place on the lot. When you come down, we will just take a photo of your license plate. You can switch vehicles with no contact, you can go for a test drive and return it when you are finished. We'll clean the vehicle inside and out between test drives to keep everyone safe. It is our responsibility to keep you safe and healthy during this time. We are happy to accommodate you in any way we can. If this option is not attractive to you, just reach out and we will find a way to make your buying experience safe, easy, and enjoyable.